First open Start and type CMD. Press Enter to open command prompt. Type devmgmt.msc and then press Enter. Press your Tab key after the window opens. Go down to Mice and other pointing devices. Press the right arrow key to expand it. Select your mouse and then press Enter. Press the Tab key until the General tab is highlighted. Press the right arrow key to select the Driver tab. Press the Tab key to select Driver Details. Go down to Update Driver. Press Enter. Press Enter to search automatically for updated driver software. If that didn't work, while holding the FN key, press every function key. Example: press FN and F6 and check if that re-enables your touchpad. If that didn't work, press Enter to select Update Driver. Press Enter to select Browse My Computer for driver software. Press Enter to open it. Press Tab to select your drivers. Press Enter. Now your drivers should be installed.